Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon. Do you have boxes of photos and negatives and other items of memorabilia stuffed in closets or under your bed, or maybe in the attic in bags, old albums, all collecting dust? Well, you're not alone. And in the next few minutes, I will teach you how to organize them very quickly with my print photo organizing quick start guide. The first step is to decide on what you want to tackle. Are you doing something? Are you organizing for a project, or are you moving and you're doing your whole photo collection? Decide on what your goal is. And once you do that, you gather all those photos for that project. So you go on a scavenger hunt, you look at all the different rooms for those particular photos. If your goal is to create a beautiful slideshow for your daughter's wedding coming up, then you're going to be looking for the best of the best photos of your daughter growing up. I would suggest then you look at albums, maybe in drawers where you keep those favorite photos of yours, and also in the frames. But if you're doing a full organizing and you want to gather all your photos, then you're going to do a scavenger hunt throughout your house and look in all the different places where your photos might be hiding. The next step after that is the quick sort, where you quickly pare down your collection into the best of the best, your A pile or your gold pile, the photos you want to keep, but you don't necessarily have to have access to all the time. Maybe you'll look at it once a year, once every few years, but they're really important photos to tell your story. That's your silver pile. And then everything else is pretty much going to be trash. And that is all the duplicates, the blurry photos, and the photos that have no people in them. Typically, they do not add anything to telling your story or saving your story. The third thing you can do to keep going further and to pare down and organize your collection is to create a family timeline. And that is all the important milestones that will appear in those photos. And you write down chronologically where you lived, what pets you had, birth dates, death dates, marriage dates, school dates, and then you use that to create your actual physical timeline. And then you take your gold pile and your silver pile and you sort those photos chronologically. So that in a nutshell is my print photo organizing quick start guide. And if you'd like help with this, then I suggest you check out Dig Your Photos, because all the instructions and the tools you'll need, as well as the templates and accompanying video of me helping you, are included. Check out digyourphotos.com.